perpendicular lines, whenever you have a perpendicular line, you know that you're gonna have the slope is gonna be the reciprocal opposite. Opposite means the negative. So yeah, we can also say negative reciprocal. So yeah, both of these, they're the same. So now right here, I know that I have m is equal to 3. So that is the slope of the given function. So my slope that I needed is going to be the reciprocal. So this is 3 over 1. So the reciprocal of 3 over 1 is 1/3. And this is positive, so this has to be a negative. So now I obtained my slope for my new equation, which is y equals negative 1/3 x plus b. No matter if it's a perpendicular or a parallel lines, they're both gonna have different y-intercept. So here to find my b, I am given that the equation, the perpendicular line passes through 3, 1. So y, x, and y. So y here is 1, and x is 3. Solving for b, b is equal to 2. So my line is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2.